Welcome to French Action. My name is Jenny and today we are going to learn to count from 30 to 100. From 30 because we have already done from 0 to 31 in my previous video. So now we are just going to move on, and the way I'm going to go about it is very simple. We are going to pronounce the numbers together, and then we are going to discover the writing, but really afterwards. And there will be a little exercise, a listening exercise at the end, so that you can check whether or not you understand the numbers that I will be saying to you. Okay, so that's what I have in store for you. Vous êtes prêts? Ready? Prêt? Allons-y. So as I said before, we're going to start at 30, which is 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39. Can you guess the next one? It is 40. Not carrot, but 40. Here we go. 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49. Can you guess the next one? It's 50. Now this one, you can see the word 5, which is 5, right at the beginning, and then you have aunt, and next to a Q you always have a U, so that gives you 50. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Can you guess? The next one is 60. So be careful. It doesn't start with a 6 like 6, but there's an O before. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Can you guess this one? It's 70. So basically 60 and 10. So here be careful because we are going to say 60 and 11, 60, 12, and so on. 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79. Can you guess the next one? Okay, this one is very different. We're actually saying 4 multiplied by 20. And that's why we have 80, which has an S. 80 has an S, and all the rest do not have an S. Okay, I will show you later. So here we go. 80, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. Can you guess this one? Yes, we're going to say 80 plus 10. So here the S of 80 is gone because there's something after it. Okay, so there's another number, so we're no longer going to have the S. 90. So here again, we're going to say 10, 11, 12, and so on. 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 98, 99, and the last one is 100. And the pronunciation is 100, not cent, even though it is spelled like cent in English, but it's 100. So these are the numbers from 30 to 100. So now I'm going to say two phone numbers, and I'm going to ask you first to listen and write down the numbers you hear. But before I start, I need to let you know that phone numbers are in pairs, okay? So you're not going to hear 5, 10. You're going to hear 05, okay? Or 97, not 9 and 7, okay? So be careful. So all the numbers that we've just learned, you are going to hear some of them. Okay, so it's two numbers. So I'm going to say number 1 and number 2. Okay? Prêt? Écoutez les deux numéros de téléphone. Écrivez. Write them down. Numéro de téléphone 1. 01 62 45 78 81. Numéro de téléphone 2. 04 52 91 38 73. So these are the numbers, okay? So now you are going to discover in the next part, you're going to discover the numbers. The first number. This is what you should have written down. 01 62 45 78 81. Now the second number, this is what you should have written down. 04 52 91 38 73. Did you get that? If you did, très bien! And I have to clap because this is not an easy exercise. So now I'm going to show you how the numbers are written down. So here, I'm going to put from 20 so that you can see how it works. But the main thing is really to know 20, 21, 30, 31, because the rest just continues as usual. So 20 is 20, 21 is 21. So you're going to notice the A, which means and, 20 and 1. 30 is 30. 31 is 30 and 1. So we're going to have 31. 40 is 40. And here again, we're going to have 40 and 1. 41. Then we have 50, 50. And 51 is going to be 50 and 1, which is 51. And then we have 60. So now 60 and 1 will give you 61. Then remember 70, 70 and 10, 70. Then we have 71, 71. And it's after the 70s that you're going to notice that there's no more A. So 80 is 80. However, 81 is 81. So be careful. 80, 81. There's no more A1. And it's the same with 90. 90. And then we have 91, 91. So for any number you need to write or to say, you will just need to put the hyphen and whatever other number you have, whether it is 3 or 4 or 5. So if you wanted to say 85, so you know already how to say 80, which is 80, you just put another hyphen after the 80, but you get rid of the S and you put the 5. And that will give you 85. This is how it works. Well, I hope you have enjoyed this video. I know it's a little bit boring to listen to numbers, but you know, we need numbers. We need to be able to count on our money when we go shopping. So it's very important. I really hope that you enjoyed the video. Please let me know if you have, and don't forget to subscribe. Au revoir.